First, take a long strip of black paper and fold it in half. Then, fold it in half again so it looks like a square. Then take a second piece of black paper and do the exact same thing. Fold it in half, and then fold it in half again so it looks like a square. When you open up a piece, you should have 4 squares. So altogether, there are 8 squares. To make the scroll even longer, take a glue stick and open it up. Make sure only a little bit of the glue stick is sticking out. Apply glue to the sides, corners, and edges of just one square. Choose a square that is on the very edge. Then take your second strip and overlap one square over the other. Push and rub the 2 pieces together. Be sure to get all the edges and corners. Since 2 of the squares overlap, there should now be 7 altogether. Next, take just one white strip of paper and fold it in half. And then fold that in half again so it looks like a square. Next, take a circle template and find the biggest circle. Place it in the corner and trace with a pen. Fit in another circle in the opposite corner, so it looks like this. Then, take a pair of scissors and start to cut out one of the circles. You are cutting through 4 pieces of paper, so this may be difficult. Notice how my scissors stay perfectly straight. All they do is open and close. Only the paper turns. Then, cut the other circle out. Again, notice how my scissors stay perfectly straight. They don't turn or twist, only the paper moves. And don't forget the song we learned in kindergarten. Open, shut, open, shut. That's the way we cut, cut, cut. Fingers on the bottom, thumb on the top. Do not let the paper drop. If all goes well, you should have 8 circles altogether. We'll only use 7 of them, but it's always nice to have one extra. If cutting through the folded paper is too difficult, just do it the old-fashioned way. Use a stencil on the long strip and trace 7 circles. Once all 7 of them are drawn out, cut out each one individually. To speed up the process, free each one quickly. This makes it easier to cut out each one individually. Once you have 7 circles, place 1 in the middle of each square. Any extra, leave aside. Take the middle 5 circles out. Then use the glue stick like this to glue down 1 on the very left and 1 on the very right. If we read this story like a scroll, it now starts and ends exactly the same way. It starts as a regular circle and ends as a regular circle, just like Kaigwo Kyang's Inopportune. For the rest of the directions, look for part 2 of this video.